Today, we are going to proceed to perform an experiment on GPS. We will test the capabilities of GPS by having Dan, a McKeesport native, who knows White Oak like the back of his hand, drive us to an undisclosed location where shall have John drive us back to our current location at Penn State Greater Allegheny.
And we're going to see how long that takes.
We will time both legs of our journey and compare the times to see how GPS affects our life today.
So just like the River explained, we started at Penn State, and there's a certain disclosed location that John doesn't know where we're going to take him to. And it's going to be quite interesting with this experiment to see how the GPS works and timing, what time factors are included.
And we're just doing this to prove that the GPS can really take you from anywhere and put you somewhere else.
So let's get really lost.
Alright.
Let's go, guys. Let's do this.
Don't try this at home. We are professionals.
We're just idiots.
Real professionals.
We have our dash cam mounted forward so you can watch our progress in real time. Oh yeah, real time. We have our reaction cam going, duct taped to the front of Dan's dash, so we can then measure our subjects, to gauge some reactions. So here we go. Let's drive to this undisclosed location. I've got 14. Okay, good enough. Almost 15 minutes. Probably 15 right there.
Really terrible.
Now, John, do you have any clue where you are right now?
Nope.
He can't even see over there.
I didn't even know this was a place.
I'm lucky I know it's a place.
Look, it's on wheels on the train tracks.
He's a big
Train.
He's like, was that a trumpet? You can hear McKeesport's band from here.
Turned around. Had him pull back out.
Can we just make John do it?
Yeah, pull down there and make John turn around.
All right, John, you've arrived at...
Are we really making the turnaround? Restart the cameras.
Not yet.
We're not exactly there yet.
We're rolling. Did we forget the GPS?
No, I brought it in the car with me.
See, this is the big disadvantage to GPS.
Did we put it in the
You
trunk?
actually have to have it.
Check in the trunk.
I'm gonna start recording.
Alright, so let's...
So now John's gonna try and get out.
Okay, so we've made it to our desolate location. At this point, John is going to try to make his way back.
I don't even know if this is gonna work.
Using this GPS. Okay, so I'm going to start the GPS.
Good.
And we can start this camera.
Now.
That's up to you.
Go ahead, start it now.
So we'll start this one.
Let's roll.
Okay.
All right.
And the GPS is on. Let's see what it says.
Remember, your camera only holds 5 minutes, so we're gonna have to do.
We're gonna have to stop it. Put the GPS in front of the thing just so it knows that we're. All right.
Okay, so you see there's the GPS.
We had the voice on.
You got one.
It took us 15 minutes to get to where we were, right?
Yep.
This is more of a test of John than it is the GPS.
Hey, look, we're driving a fire
To test if John can follow directions.
for the GPS.
Hey guys, we're driving a fire truck.
We almost drove a fire truck. Maybe.
Yeah.
Dan lost his fire truck privileges, so we couldn't steal a full-size fire truck for this project. But he did steal us a GPS, which we almost destroyed.
School.
This is how the DMV would like you to stop.
Minus the brakes.
The high-pitched squealing.
Wait 3 seconds,
Which
and then floor it.
In 0.2 miles, keep right.
You don't have to hold it, I'm good.
All right.
That's not a right at all.
Left.
Slow down, John.
It said turn right.
Oh no, it's a bend.
You're gonna kill us all.
It said turn.
It said keep right.
Well, technically that would
Wanted us to kill ourselves.
Even though it was a left, it would be keeping right since it was with the
Keep
road.
right.
Uh-oh, school bus. Ram it.
No.
So John has made it to the construction zone.
It's getting closer.
It's no longer there.
We're doing all right.
He ran over a person.
So our camera ran out of film, but in conclusion, we were able to get back to Greater Allegheny in less than 15 minutes, proving that GPS has its uses.
As you may know, GPS is a world-changing tool that is making it easier for us to travel every day. GPS, like the internet, began as a military project. The Department of Defense launched 24 satellites into low Earth orbit and brought the GPS system to fruition in 1994. These satellites broadcast their position in orbit and the timestamp continuously via radio. Receiver units then intercept the signals from multiple satellites, and using triangulation, the receiver calculates its position. Then, using maps preloaded onto the receiving device or downloaded from the internet, allow the device to plot a path from its current position to a chosen destination. Geocaching is an interesting use of GPS for entertainment. Geocaching consists of hiding logbooks and boxes of prizes in conspicuous locations. Each cache then has its coordinates listed on the internet, often with a puzzle aspect or some kind of. Millions of users have placed and listed geocaches on all 7 continents and even on the space station. The nearest geocache to Penn State Greater Allegheny is in Rensselaer Park.
Now we're going to take a look at another use of GPS, which is called geocaching.
Hey, it's Mike, John, and Brett here for our video project. Where another part of GPS is geocaching, which is going out and usually you have to solve some sort of problem or something to figure out coordinates to a specific gift, log, whatever. And we're on the edge of campus. There's one right on the other side of the street over here, the general vicinity over there, and we're gonna go find it.
By using GPS coordinates.
Yeah, right.
Giant hole. Ah.
Found it. Up, isn't there? Alright, cool. See? So, obviously a homemade container.
Duct tape.
And there's stuff inside, like there's a log. And at a normal time we would sign it. There's, I don't know what this is. People just put things in them for other people to get.
Whatever.
But I'm not going to sign right now because it's raining.
Let me see the log.
This is an empty one.
Whatever.
Look at that full up.
Here's a full one.
Ooh, yeah.
These are all the people that have found it. There's like 30 people there. And it's just a cool way to
Use GPS.
Use GPS and treasure hunt. Alright, see you.